Huwag na tayong magtanga-tangahan dito. Who stands to gain when the Philippines and when there is a divide between China and the Philippines? Of course, it's America. Huwag tayong magtanga-tangahan dito because we are talking about our children, our country, the destiny of our people. So this is I guess all that I want to say at this point. No? That's why it's so important that Pastor Quiboloy took a very clear stand at napakaliwanag nung sinabi niya dito. Kaibigan natin ang China. Kaibigan din natin ang Amerika at nandito tayo para sa Pilipinas. No? So it is very dangerous that when we talk about peace, no? When we take that moderate stance, to have officials like Jay Tariela make it seem as if we are unpatriotic. That is so dangerous. No?
Agree.
This guy, you sir, Commodore Tariela, you sir are unpatriotic and you are a mouthpiece of the United States of America. Shame on you.